We're here today at Thorpe Hesley, where we're constructing a new mine water treatment scheme. It's being built here to help protect local water sources.
So as part of our sustainable procurement approach, we embedded social value requirements directly into the tender and the contract. So suppliers were not only evaluated on quality and cost, but also how they could create a positive impact in the surrounding areas.
I think at a project level, it's been really good being involved with the local schools. Lots of the people on site, the people working here, being able to volunteer. That's something that often you don't get the opportunity to do working in construction.
The supply's been engaging with different community groups like local primary schools, delivering careers events in high schools locally, and also delivering environmental social value initiatives such as the reed planting days that have been delivered here on site.
It's just helped strengthen our bond with the community, makes you feel like you're delivering something, that helps people. On a project like this, it's always been really important to us to make sure that we've looked at sustainability and how we can improve habitats. A key part of our delivery is to provide a net biodiversity gain. So continuously throughout the project, we've worked with our ecology team and ecology from our contractors to look at how we can improve the plans as we've gone. And so that's meant leaving some of the waste that we would have removed in site to help create hibernacular. It's meant liaising with local communities as to what sort of wildlife they're seeing and how we might help that. For a big scheme like this, it's becoming more and more important to look at climate adaptations. What was a weather event 10 years ago for a construction company might not be a weather event for us anymore. So we've worked quite closely with our partners to help identify risks, and through design we've tried to minimise the impact. Another tool we've used on site is to help us identify where our carbon footprint is. So throughout the scheme, all of our deliveries, we've been able to scan it and use AI to track where that material's come from, what the carbon footprint of that material is. We've been able to look and identify local SMEs that we might be able to use to reduce our footprint. We've learned an awful lot here from a sustainability point of view. We've used methodologies we might not have used previously. We've learned a lot from our construction partners. We've taken part in a lot of lessons learned exercises and internal workshops to make sure that the things we've experienced and learned from here can be followed through onto future projects.
Projects like Thorpe Hesley demonstrate how we can create meaningful connections between suppliers and the communities that they work in. We've created an environment where suppliers can engage with local schools, community groups and organisations through the life of the contract. The partnerships developed here with local stakeholders and schools, for example, have created a model that future projects can build on.
We've walked through here with my family. They've seen the work that Dad's doing here helping to construct this scheme. It'll be good to come back again in the future.